Good afternoon, FreedomWay Trucks family. My name is Justin. I'm a salesperson here, and I wanted to show you one of our pieces of inventory that we have. Stock number 5140. It is a 2014 model Volvo 670. It has a Volvo D13 engine at about 425 horsepower. It has about 550,000 on the mile, so plenty of life left in this truck. It also has a 10-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, and I'd like to show you a little bit more about the truck from here. We've got brand new steer tires, okay? We also have your DEF fluid, so this truck does have the diesel particulate filter and the diesel exhaust fluid there. Moving on around to the back of the truck, we've got new tires, also a sliding fifth wheel, making it easier on everybody. Nobody likes that stationary. There you got your air lines, and those are the rubber air lines, not the pigtails. A lot of people like the rubber air lines a little bit better, more durable and longer lasting. This truck was just recently DOT inspected, so it passes an FMCSA certified DOT inspection. Got your catwalk here. Also, we've got 100-gallon capacity tanks on each side, so 200 gallons total of liquid capacity, plenty enough fuel to keep you on the road for a while. Guys, here we are in the cockpit of the Volvo 670. Just wanted to go over a few basic things with you. You do have a slide telescope on your steering wheel, so plenty of range, mobile range, for no matter if you're tall like me, or we have all different kinds of truck drivers out there. Here you've got your cruise control. Right here's your rear end differential lock. Traction control, does have an air dump, and it has a fifth wheel slide. Okay, your sleeper air is going to be down here. Obviously, air controls is pretty plain and simple on the Volvo. That's what we like about it. Also, in the diagnostic systems, is very easy to understand. So if you get in a bind, you have to call us. You can even actually look in this diagnostic system, point out the code, give it to our breakdown team if need be, and he can work with you from there on getting this truck up and running, getting you to a shop and doing what needs to be done. Back here, you'll see that we have a double bunk, and you got plenty of storage space as well, both upper and lower. Same on this side, you've actually got a closet rack for holding your clothes. And up top here, more storage. I think I picture a TV right there personally, but that's up to you guys and what all is comfortable for you. Also, we have our top bunk up top here, and your air controls over here as well for your rear sleeper. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up for you so you can hear it run. Running great. Clutch is engaging properly. Fluids have been topped off, fresh oil change, fresh service. We've been from bumper to bumper on this truck to make sure it's a good quality piece of equipment for you guys. I got your turbo over here, got your coolant levels topped off. Fuel to water separator has been changed. All the filters are brand new. Got your air filter right here. It's recently been changed last month on the 20th. This truck is ready to roll. Thank you guys very much for your time this afternoon. I really appreciate it. Once again, this is stock number 5140. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to call me directly at 770-366-0839, or you can reach any of our salespeople on our main line at 228-539-5006. Once again, guys, thank you very much for your time today. We look forward to talking with you and hope to see you soon and help you join our FreedomWay Truck family.